everybody. Today we are going to do a science experiment. The experiment's name is Colorful Jewels.
Yes.
So let me introduce you to my friend Sarah.
Hi everyone. Oh, wait a second. Where is Aryan?
I don't know.
Oh. Hello. I am Aryan and today I am going to be joining them in the experiment. Wait a second. Why were you hiding there, naughty boy?
To show up in the video like peekaboo.
Okay. Now let's make the experiment.
Okay, let me tell you what all we need.
Okay.
2 cups.
Yes.
We have it. Spatula.
We have. Yes.
We need stirring stick.
We have it.
Crystal powder.
Yes.
Yep. Red color.
Yes.
Blue color.
Yes.
And water.
Water also we have poured in these cups.
Okay, now let me tell you. 15 ml water.
We have
And
it.
a measuring cylinder and pour it into the first cup. So,
Okay.
we
So
have it in this first cup.
yes.
Now, add 2 drops of red color in the same cup.
Okay.
Mix it and now add 1 scoop of crystal powder into the cup.
First we have to add 2 drops of red color. 1 and 2. Okay. And now stir it. Okay. First stir it. Make the water full red. Yeah. Don't leave any marks. Okay. Yes.
And this is enough.
Okay.
Now, measure 25 ml.
First we have to add crystal powders.
Oh, right. I forgot that part.
Okay. Okay. Like this. Yes.
Measure 25 ml water using the measuring cylinder and pour it into the second cup.
Okay, so we have 25 ml in
And
this.
we have
poured it.
Okay.
Now,
Add 2 drops of blue color in the second cup.
yes. Yes. Pour it. First add 2 drops. Drop it slowly. 1
And 2.
Actually, blue is my personal favorite color.
And red is mine.
Hope I get the red crystals.
Yeah, we have stirred it and I think that is enough. And 1 scoop of crystal powder.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Now pour. Now shall I will stir it. Okay.
Now that's enough.
Bus. Okay. Now after 1 minute, you have to wait 1 minute first.
And then you will get different color jewels.
So
Yeah.
red one is already start to form. You can see.
It is almost made.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope.
Now don't touch it.
Yeah.
Oh. Keep it
Now-
back.
I bet I'm gonna get this. And I want to get blue. But what will Shaurya get? Shaurya, which color do you like?
I will make one by my own and I will try to mix different type of colors like blue and red together.
Okay, so I think it will be green or dark green. Is this done? Almost.
It's almost done but not done.
Oh, this is forming.
Don't touch it.
This is slimy.
But don't touch.
Okay. So guys, do you know the science behind this? Yeah, I will read it for you. Absorption is the process when one thing becomes a part of another thing. The crystal powder is made up of super absorbent material which absorbs all the colored water. In the process of the powder, it becomes soft, colored crystals. So, see, absorption means this is the absorption powder and it absorbs all the water. Like I poured 1 spoon of crystal in this and it absorbed. See now there's no water in it, in this.
Yeah, this
I
is very I
soft.
think it's ready. Let me touch. It's not type of ready. It's still little wet.
Okay, but okay. I think that red is much prettier. No, blue is becoming light blue. As
Sky
I thought, yes, as I thought it would be dark blue.
Actually, red looks like lava and blue looks like water.
No,
Clear water.
clear water and sky also.
So now I think it's done now. As you can see,
Yeah, but how can we remove it?
it won't get removed. I think it will stay like this.
No, I think we can bounce it and it will remove.
No, that would be bad. I think they would break.
Yes. Okay.
So we have finally done the experiment. As you can see, our jewels are formed.
But this is one jewel. Big jewels.
Okay.
I am gonna get this one.
Bye. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.
And share it with your friends and
Bye.
family. Bye.